we guide you through how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile, then tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Account Center. This is where both Instagram and Facebook are connected. Next, tap Accounts and you'll see the link profiles. Choose your Facebook account, then tap Remove from Account Center. Confirm your action by tapping Continue and then Remove Account. And just like that, your Instagram is no longer linked to Facebook. Keep in mind, this will automatically sharing between the two apps and separate login access. So if you are using Facebook to log into Instagram, make sure you set a password before unlinking to avoid getting locked out. And that's it. Quick, simple, and you're fully in control of your accounts.